Guys, how are you this evening? I'm gonna make a yummy dinner. So I get these gloves on, I'll show you. How's everybody's evening going? Oh, come on. Why do I always do that? Okay. You guys all have a good day? Tell me all the things. Okay. So I have a pound of hamburger right here. I'm making honey garlic meatballs with some zucchini patties and some rice. And this says use 2 tablespoons of the seasoning. So we're going to start there. Let's see. So I got my nose running. There's 1, 2. Oh, my nose. Okay, and then I'm going to put some minced garlic in here. This one's all gone. This is garlic and onion. It has nutritional yeast in it. Hope I ordered some more of this stuff. Or 3 onion, which is super delicious. And that's all it is let me turn it around again. Onions, scallions, herbs, and chives, and it smells so good. This is my favorite red garlic. And then this one is an Asian stir fry. It reminds me of O Canada, but it has a sweet taste to it, so I figured I'd put a little sprinkle of that in there. Mash this up. Hop on. Say hello when you hop on. Let me know how your day was. What you making for dinner? Are you skipping dinner? Did you have a late lunch? Tell me all the fun stuff. Oh, this is not my favorite part, okay? Gonna mix this up in your hamburger. Oh, bless you. Get it all mixed up good. Okay. I don't know if I want to keep you guys on here the whole time. I'll just play it by ear, see how things go. It was a real pretty day here today. It wasn't real hot for a change. Okay, that's mixed up good. I'm going to wash these gloves. Oh, wait. No, I'm not supposed to put that. I gotta read the instructions. Squirrel brain, I already forgot what I was to be doing. Okay, form into 16 meatballs. Okay, I don't need the honey yet. Okay, so we're making meatballs. Here's our scoop you can also have. I believe this is a 1/4 cup. I could be wrong. I got 1 meatball. Yeah, I'm using my wok. Most of you already know it's my favorite tool I have. 2 meatballs. I think I'll turn on my fire, huh? Not getting much accomplished with no fire on the pan. Oh. It says you can cook these in the steamer. I just rather do it on the stove than the microwave. But the meat does turn out fine in the steamer. I've made meatloaf and I've made the donair. Both are good in the steamer. And so is the enchiladas, which really surprised me. Because usually microwave enchiladas, the tortillas get all rubbery and hard, you know what I mean? And they don't. I think it tastes good, which still surprises me. Before Epicure, I was never... That's funny how my meatballs are going to be the same size. I was never a microwave girl. Say hello when you hop on. I'll tell you what I'm making again. Hey Chelsea, how are you? I am making rice, zucchini patties, and garlic honey meatballs. And right now, we are just making the meatballs. The scoop is 1/4 cup. Glad to hear it. You made meatballs too? Oh, yum. They turn out good. I haven't had this particular meatball before. This is my first time. I'm anxious to see. My grandson's spending the night, so we'll see how he likes it, right? Okay. I seasoned these too with the red garlic and some onion and the Asian seasoning and some minced garlic. More garlic the better. Oh gosh, those honey garlic ones. They're some of your favorites? I haven't had them before. This will be my first time. I really want to see if my grandson likes it. My grandkids are super picky. Super picky. Thanks for hopping on and visiting with me. I was getting tired of talking to myself. I want to turn that burner down. Did your kids like, or do you have kids? Do they like the honey meatballs? One more. That turned out perfect. Oh, they love them. That's promising. My oldest grandson doesn't like spaghetti, so I thought, what if we made this? I'll be right back. I want to wash this bowl so I can mix up my zucchini. It's my favorite bowl for mixing stuff up. You know what I mean? Gotta have your favorite bowl and spatula and all the things. You know. I don't want to do it with raw hamburger in my bowl. Come here, paper towel. Okay. I can't wait for him to give it a try. I hope he likes it for reals. I have almond flour in here. I needed a bigger bowl, as you could see. I couldn't even put my egg in. I wanted my lid for my wok. By the way, that wok is also Epicure, and you can get one on my website. I love that thing. It's my favorite cooking that I use. Come here, lid. Here's a heavy-duty lid that goes on top. Get those meatballs brown. Gotta get me an egg in here. Let's do some onion. This is the 3 onions, red garlic. Can't have enough of that. I love it. Asian stir fry. We'll put some of this in here too. Okay. And then we'll have a little egg in here. And this will be ready to fry up. Oh, I gotta get my rice on. Come on, get it together, Karen. And my lid. Oh. I always do 2 cups water, 1 cup rice. You know, I didn't even check. Oh, good, I do have a pig. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Hey Lisa, how are you? Ooh, Sketty, I'm making this. I haven't made it before. Honey garlic meatballs. And I'm making zucchini cakes right here. And then, of course, some rice to put the meatballs on. I was just talking, we don't know if my grandson's going to like this shit or not. It's going to be very interesting. That's good, that's perfect. And I use this for my zucchini, the Asian stir fry, and then the 3 onion, which is delish. Do a little dash of pepper. I'm anxious to see if my grandson likes this. For real. Where's my frying pan? This is for the zucchini. Got some avocado oil. Skitty sounds so good with some garlic bread and a salad. You need to hit Costco's. You can get a way bigger bottle of avocado oil for like $10. Okay. Heat that oil up for this. Here's the zucchini cakes. I'll just patty these up so that oil gets hot. And then put this away. And then this, oh, I need my spoons too. Be right back, I gotta wash my purple spoon. Okay, I think I need 2 tablespoons. Hey Tiffany, how are you, baby? I am making zucchini cakes. These are all seasoned up with some red garlic, minced garlic, the 3 onion, some Asian stir fry. I'm also making some white rice over there to go with this, the main course. I'll show you. I'll bring you over here and show you. Take a little field trip. There's the meatables. Ooh, they smell good. So I'm waiting for those to brown because I need the wok for the rest of the dinner. See, I want to mix you with this. Turn over. Don't drip water on my floor. That always happens when your floor's clean. Everything finds its way to the floor. That one's good. Turn over. Okay. Do I got the burner on? Yes, ma'am. Okay, this is for the zucchini patties. What you having, hun? What you having for dinner? I am going to, meanwhile, in a wok, combined seasoning, water, and honey. A tablespoon of honey. Whew. Oh, oh, oh. honey. I hope it's enough. Is that a tablespoon? I think I put a 1 tablespoon in there, don't you? Sure. Okay. Throw this away. And my gloves. I'm all done with raw meat. Thank God. God dang, I hate raw meat. Okay. Yeah, what are we doing here? Hey, Christy, how are you, baby? Guess what I'm making? This is going to be good. I never had them before. Garlic honey meatballs with some zucchini patties, all seasoned up with the minced garlic, the garlic and onion. Excuse me, the red garlic, some pepper, and some Asian stir fry just for a little sweetness. It's a really good spice. I'm really loving it. So, oh, I was going to keep my gloves on so I could just patty this up without getting my hands ewy. Come on. It's not my favorite, okay? It smells like the oil's hot, though. Yep. I timed that one good. Oh, there goes my clean stove. Yeah, there's 4 patties. And a mess. Be right back, guys. I'm not ignoring you. I hate crap on my hands. If there's something that you have to do in the kitchen that you don't like, touch meat, cut up chicken, shuck corn, any of those things, or something I'm not even thinking of, get the guts out of the chicken, a whole chicken, or the turkey. I think the turkey's harder because it's so dang big. When my mom was alive, she would come over and do the turkey prep for me and then make her homemade dressing that I just love so much. We don't usually have dressing now. I made dressing twice that tasted good. The rest, Oh, we got a boiler pot here. Please don't splatter in my grease. Okay, we're going to turn you down to low. Right? Okay, let's wait on the meatballs. Yummy. What are you having, Christy? How was your day at work? These look good. I'm going to need something to drain these on. Hold on. Now I get my fine china. Oh, I forgot to grab it extra. Oh, brother. All right. Sorry, the milk came in. I was wondering if I was going to get unemployment. You know, the little things that make you help you survive till you get a job. Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna put my meatballs on here. Okay, Christy, I didn't get a message. What are you having? Tiffany, what are you having? If you want to sprinkle the love, again, I will enter you in to win a goodie from me. I will spin the wheel on the 30th. Feel free to do that. This is done. It says 16 meatballs, but I made big ones, quarter of a cup each. My husband likes big meatballs. So I'm going to call this done. I'm going to take these out. I'll set them down so you can see. It has 2 tablespoons of that seasoning inside that meatball. Plus all the red garlic and the Asian stir fry and the onion and the minced garlic. Ouch. That wasn't a good idea to put this on the paper plate, you know? I'm going to turn that burner down. Don't roll away. Be still. Ouch. Stay there. Drain this grease. Oh, this handle's a little hot. That's what I was just trying to figure out. I'm coming back. I don't want grease on the side of my wok. Okay, behave. Well, we're going to see what our next step is. We are going to, meanwhile, in a wok, combine seasoning with water and honey. Bring to a boil. Okay. Here, it's like a powder. I should have showed you. I'm going to put that in there and the honey, which got hard in the cold water. That was dumb of me, huh? Please don't burn. Now I got clumps of, I shouldn't have done my honey like that. I wasn't thinking very good. I'm going to burn the patties. Yep. Damn it. For real burnt. I should have turned them when I first smelled them. Not happy about that, okay? Now, we're going to put these meatballs in here. This doesn't seem like a lot of sauce. Oh, it looks like the honey melted though. I'm going to put these meatballs in here. I'll show you in a minute, okay? Toss. And And this is all done. Oh, I forgot to put the timer on the rice. Let me show you the meatballs. Sometimes I get them covered in the honey sauce. My burnt zucchini things. I bet my husband still loves them. Squirrel brain at work at its finest. This looks good. Hey Victor, how are you, sweetheart? Here's what the meatballs look like now. Don't look at my burnt zucchini patties. And then I got rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up in probably another 15 minutes, and I'll try and remember to take a picture. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I appreciate you guys. Take care. Bye.